Mano Ramogi TV nyinga Simfroz Okindam. Jakom maduol mochung ne yiero pachoka mano Erastus Ethekon oyango ni chenro mar goro kiewo mag gwenge ibiro tim tok yiero maduong mar 2027 kalore gi thuolo matin ma odong motelo ne yiero ma higa manyien kaachiel gi bura ma pod nie doe wi adiera mar kwan mag oganda jo Kenya mane otime higa mar 2019. Ethekon wacho ni gibiro mana tayo chenro mohiu motenore gi goro kiewo mag gwenge kaka miyo jopiny puonje wi chenro mar goro kiewo kaachiel kod gi kawo pach oganda e wi chenro makamano. Mabiro kalo doko ni chenro no oselewo mokalo thuolo mar higni 12 machiko yango.
Ensure that we undertake these activities for this second review of the boundaries while also monitoring our levels of preparedness for the 2027 general election, and when the time comes the Commission will again look at where we are and make a determination and a decision whether to scale down those activities on boundary review to allow the Commission to fully focus and concentrate on delivering a credible, free and fair general elections 2027. And of course, after the elections, the Commission will again take a decision on when to resume those activities around boundary delimitation to ensure that those activities are commenced forthwith to ensure that we conclude that process after the 2027 general election. So we are therefore telling Kenyans that substantive boundary delimitation will be undertaken after the general election using the legally and nationally applicable population census.